In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily withdraw money from the platform Coinbase. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Coinbase, simply go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $50 in bonuses, depending on how much you've traded in the first 14 days. You can reach those different bonuses in here. So if you trade at least for $100, you will get $5, and for at least $5,000, $20, and for at least $10,000, you get a $50 bonus. To create your account and be eligible for the bonuses, simply click right here on sign up. Then you will get to this page right here where you can enter your email address, click on continue and set a password, or simply use your Google or Apple account. So first I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw fiat currencies, and you can do that by simply going down here to your portfolio. Then you can see all your balances in here, so your cash balance or your crypto balance. Up here I'm going to choose withdraw, then click on withdraw cash. Then I'm going to choose how much I want to cash out. I'm simply going to choose all for now and click on continue. And then if you haven't added your bank account, just click on add bank account. Then you will see the bank details where you need to make a small transfer first. So just simply use €1, $1, whatever. And once you've deposited that, your bank account will appear right here, so you can use it for withdrawals as well. In my case, I'm simply going to choose a bank account I've already used so far, click on continue, and then I can see all the details again. I'm withdrawing this amount to this bank account. It's completely for free, and it should also arrive within just a few minutes. All I need to do then is just click on cash out now, and the money will be withdrawn to my account. If you want to withdraw crypto, you can also just simply go in here and click on withdraw again, then choose withdraw crypto. Then you can see addresses where you've already withdrawn money recently, or just paste in here the address of your wallet or another exchange up here. If you do that, you can just confirm that by clicking on here. Then I need to choose the currency I want to withdraw. I'm simply going to choose USDC right here. Then also choose a network. Just make sure to use the same network as to where you're receiving the money to. So in my case, I'm simply going to use the Ethereum network for now. Type in the amount, and then you will get this overview where you can see again, you're withdrawing this amount, in this case to myself, to this address over the Ethereum network. And once you've double checked all the information, just click on send now down here, and then you will have withdrawn your crypto to your own wallet or another exchange where you want to send the money. Don't forget to pick up your $50 bonus by creating an account with the first link from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.